good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Jamaica, man, and I'm back with a video, man. Back with a bang video, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm back with another spicy. Ooh, so spicy. Ooh, spicy. Oh. If you're happy, dance with me. So, it's prank time. It's prank time. Oh, it's prank time. Oh, all jokes aside. Alright, just think though. Yo, as you guys see by the thumbnail and the title, I'm doing a prank video. Yeah. Alright, I just sign up. Alright, welcome back to the channel, man. As you guys see, man, I'm by myself. I'm in the garage, you guys can see. I feel like I start all my prank in the garage, but if you guys, it's just that I can't start upstairs because I don't want anybody to know I'm doing a prank because everybody watching TV, living room, or in the room, or in the kitchen, somewhere. So I gotta go somewhere where nobody can see me. As you guys see by the title, I'm going to be doing a prank on the shop. I'm going back to Jamaica, yeah. Going back to Jamaica prank. So she probably gonna ask me why I'm doing this prank. I'm gonna be like, man, I just wanna leave, man. I don't wanna die, man. This is getting crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's getting crazy. You know? This virus is getting out of hand, man. I gotta go. But before I jump into this prank, all jokes aside, hey man. Hey man. Everybody that's watching this prank, please, I'm begging you, please stay safe. This prank is, this virus is very, very serious, guys. Don't take it lightly. Please stay safe. Please do what you gotta do to stay out of contact with other people. Practice social distancing, guys. Please. I ain't gonna lie to you. I wasn't taking it serious at first, but right now it's really, really serious. So protect your loved ones, your family. Practice social distancing, man. If you don't have to come out of the house, don't come out of the house. Stay in the house. Play video games. Make content like what I'm doing right now. If you don't have a YouTube channel, go start a YouTube channel. It's the best time to start right now. So just protect yourself, man. Pray each and every day, because we all want this to be over it, so that America can be great again, you know, so that we can go on with our lives and such and such. Because right now it's hard, man. A lot of people can't work. You know, a lot of people don't have money coming in. So it's really hard right now. So guys, help one another, man. Help one another. So if you don't have to go on the road, stay in the house. Go watch all the videos that we did, your boy did. Watch other YouTubers videos, you know what I'm saying? Just stay in the house, man. Stay in the house. Just protect yourself. Wash your hand, clean your house. All that stuff, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I pray for you guys. So you guys can see, man, I got my passport right here. I'm gonna do the going to Jamaica prank on my girlfriend. So I don't know, it's probably gonna turn out. Hopefully you give me a good reaction. I'm just gonna go in there and just go wild. As you guys can see, I'm pretty half dressed. I'm gonna dress up like I'm going to the airport. I got my passport right here. This paper that's in the front is my birth certificate, but I'm gonna act like it's my ticket, but I'm not gonna show her. She's probably gonna answer, but I'm not gonna give it to her, you know what I'm saying? But so yeah. Hope she'll get my good reaction, man. The prank is gonna be going back to Jamaica prank. I'm leaving her to go to Jamaica. Hope she'll get my good reaction, man. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, man, because you know, grind don't stop, won't stop. And remember, man, stay safe, man. Please stay safe, man. I don't want to hear nobody saying, hey man, I got the virus and this and this and that, man. Stay safe, man. I got my passport, my ticket, and the suitcase. I'm finna go in the room right now and try and set the camera. Babe, I gotta go. Babe, I gotta go. Babe, I gotta go.
What are you doing?
I gotta go. Babe, I gotta go.
John.
Yeah, I gotta go.
Go where?
I gotta go. I gotta go, babe. I gotta go. Shoot, I gotta go.
Where you
I gotta
going?
go. I gotta go back home.
Go back home where?
I gotta go back home.
You are at home.
No, I gotta go to Jamaica, babe.
Go to Jamaica for what?
I gotta go to Jamaica, babe.
Why?
Babe, don't you see the news?
What?
Did you see the news this morning?
No.
Man, this virus is getting worse, man. I gotta go home, man. I'm
What
sorry,
are you
bro.
talking about?
I'm done with you. I gotta go back home. The virus getting worse.
So you gonna leave me because of a virus?
Yeah, the virus getting, leave my shit, bro. The virus getting worse.
What?
Why you think my shit? I need all my clothes, bro.
No, you don't.
The
Stop.
virus getting worse, bro. I
No,
gotta
you.
go. I got my ticket right here and shit. I got my passport. I gotta go. Give me my clothes.
No.
What you? Move, bro. I gotta go. You probably got the virus too, man.
I don't even have the virus. If I got it, you got
Motherfucker,
it.
man. Look, man. I gotta go.
Stop.
Move, bro.
Ah.
Move,
Ah.
bro. Move, bro. I gotta go, bro. You gonna go, bro.
Stop playing with me.
I gotta go, bro.
Where you gotta go to?
I'm going back to Jamaica.
No, you not.
Bro, get out my shit, bro. Shit, I'm you shit. You better hold on, cookie.
You ain't going nowhere.
Bro, leave me alone, bro. I gotta go.
No, you
Baby, the virus
not.
getting worse, bro.
Ain't nothing wrong with the virus.
What you mean? Don't you see the news?
Babe, what you talking about?
You didn't see the news?
No, I was asleep.
Well, go watch the news. Babe, it's getting worse.
No, it's not.
It's not getting bad, it's getting worse. I gotta go. I gotta go back home. I gotta go see all my family before this thing kill me, man. I gotta go. I gotta go. You can stay here. Oh, shit. We breaking up. We done.
No, we're not.
I gotta go.
Stop playing with me.
I gotta go. I gotta go.
Javon, you ain't gotta go nowhere.
Let go my shit, bro. Let go my shit, bro.
No.
I gotta go, bro.
Where
Bro,
you
stop taking
going?
my clothes, man.
Stop, you ain't even buckling it up right.
You not business. Come buy more clothes.
No.
Bro, let go with something on.
You
Let go
stop.
with something on. Move.
Where you going?
Move. Now go back home. Now go back home.
No, you
Man,
not.
come on now, man. Bro, come on, man.
You ain't going nowhere.
Bro, I'm going back home, bro.
No, you're not.
Let go my shit, man. Come on, man. Babe, I gotta go. Babe, I gotta go. Babe, I gotta go.
Where you
Let go.
going?
Bro, make my pants, bro. I gotta go, bro.
You ain't gotta go
Bro,
nowhere.
come on, bro. I gotta go, bro.
No, you don't.
Babe, I gotta go back to Jamaica, man.
For what? How you gonna get there?
The plane? What do you mean?
They closing down the
No,
airport.
not yet.
Yes.
That's why I'm leaving. No, not yet.
You ain't going
Bro,
nowhere.
stop touching my hand, bro.
You're not going nowhere.
I gotta go.
You ain't gotta go nowhere.
I gotta go, bro.
Nope.
Yo, bomba clock. Stop
You stop.
I gotta go. I gotta go.
No, you don't.
Babe, chill out, man.
You chill out.
You want to go in that suitcase? See, go in that suitcase. Go in that suitcase. Go in that suitcase. Lock up the blood clot. Go in there. Go in there. Lock up the blood. Steal some. I gotta go. Shit. I'm out.
You're not going nowhere.
I'm out. Bro, let something, bro.
Where
Where you
you-
going? Bro, let go my clothes, bro. Bro, I gotta go, bro.
No, you not.
Bro, what's wrong with you, man?
Stop playing with me.
Babe, I already paid for my ticket already.
Well, you gonna have to get your money back.
Bro, what's wrong?
Well, you gonna have to get your money back.
Bro, what's wrong with you, man? Babe, I gotta go.
No.
I can't take you.
Nope.
I only got one ticket back.
Oh well.
It's on the one seat going back.
Well.
Yo, stop pushing me, man.
No, you're not going nowhere.
I gotta go. Yo, give me my shit. Give me something.
Nope.
Give me something.
Nope.
Give me something. Give me something. Give me something. We need this. We need this. We need this. We need this.
No, you don't.
We need this.
Stop playing with
We need
me.
this. Move, yo, let go of something. Move. Man, I got. Come on, man. What you doing?
Where is it?
Bro, move,
Where
bro.
you-
Babe, come on, man. I gotta
Stop
go.
playing with me.
Why? I'm not playing with you, man. For
Yes,
real.
you are.
Babe, I gotta go back home. I'm not playing for real.
What you gotta go back home and do? I don't know why you messing up this room for. You gonna have to fix it all the way back. You ain't going nowhere.
Babe, the thing is getting worse.
No, it's not.
I gotta make a move before we get it. We got practice social distancing. We gotta be apart.
No, we don't.
Yes, we is. We're
They
two.
said 6 feet.
6 feet.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2,
Nick.
3. We are that's it for that. We're so we yes, so me today. You for the whoever that's up. We can't sit together.
Yes, we
Yes,
can.
we have to leave.
Well, you can't be on the plane.
Why?
Cause
Nobody taking the planes. I already risk it. Not getting rich. Not getting here. Hell no, I rather get back home than get over here. From a dime, I die back home, but I ain't gonna die over here, bro.
Stop playing with me.
Bro, I gotta go, bro.
You're not going nowhere.
Shit, I buy new clothes. Man.
All right, bro. Let me close in.
What's going on?
You ugly. You ugly. Where you think you gonna go without your wallet?
The wallet ain't gonna be used to me anyways.
You need it though.
No.
Your ID in here though.
Me American ID for Jamaica.
Yes you do.
No, I don't.
Yes you do.
No, I don't.
Yes you do.
No, what's up?
Stop playing with me.
Where y'all children something my papa for?
Cause you're not going nowhere.
Why? Says who?
Me.
You gotta stop me?
Yep.
I'm going back to the You just call me after me just tell me yeah, go yeah, try to finish right there, car.
Stop playing with me. I don't have nothing.
Oh, me didn't know that?
Yes you do.
Yo. Big my men's, man, cut.
Stop playing with me.
Before this door from me?
No.
Man, cut. Why you
Stop pushing me.
Where you looking at something for? Yeah, I gotta go.
No you don't.
Yeah, I gotta go. No, stop!
You stop. You're not going nowhere.
I already paid for
You're
the
not
ticket.
going. I don't care. You're gonna get a refund. You're gonna have to get a refund. I don't care.
Bro. I already paid for the ticket.
You're gonna have to get a refund.
Bro, don't touch me, bro.
You're gonna have to get a refund.
I already paid for the ticket, bro.
I don't care.
I already paid for the ticket, bro. Bumbo clap, man. Stop just on the man. Sure.
Move.
Me ain't here.
What?
I hate you. You ain't here too.
I don't know what you're saying, bro.
It's freaking hot up in here, bro.
You're not going nowhere. Keep playing with me. Keep playing with me.
You gonna clean up all this shit?
Nope, I'm not cleaning nothing because you the one decided to bring all this stuff out the dog closet for no reason. I'm not cleaning up nothing. And this is my favorite shirt. Why you got it all on the ground and stuff?
Yeah, I gotta take something to remind you.
You're not going nowhere. Ain't nothing funny because you're not going nowhere. Nope. So you might as well get all this stuff and put it right back in the closet because you're not going nowhere. Put it right back in the damn closet. Keep playing with me. Play with me. Dummy. Over here cramping and stuff. And you want to play?
Basic prank, man.
Ain't nothing to prank.
Basic prank, man.
Why you play? Why you play so much?
Got her!
Why would you do this while I'm cramping, Javon?
I know this is the best time to do it. Yo, I'm sweating. How you feel? How you feel? Bumblecleat. Stop it.
You get on my nerves.
Yo, it's hot, bro. I got hot. Guys, if you think I got it, man, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, man. Go comment your boy T Javon in the comment section. Let's go.
You ain't going nowhere.
Cause it's a prank.
No, even if it wasn't a prank, you still ain't going nowhere.
Please.
Please, nothing.
Please.
Please.
But yeah, man, if you guys in this video, man, make sure you guys like and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Cause more pranks. Stop touching on. More pranks is coming today. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to end this prank right here cause she got pranks. Alright, catch you guys next video. Peace.